don't get to hold the L's. You do.
No.
That's why Hibby is playing Dragon Bullying Simulator.
What?
Fucking look in Discord.
You know what, Hippie? There's a special seat in Oblivion for you, just for that.
Well, you know, she only put one head, so she was trying to kiss just one of your heads. At least I gave you shit for all three of your heads.
Oh, you're right. Oh, they're gonna get jealous.
I hate all three of you. I hate each and every single one.
Technically, he has 4 heads, as far as we know.
We're not talking about that.
Wait, why would you even...
Hibby.
So did you look under the skirt?
I've been trying.
Wait, he's got a skirt? Boy!
What? What are we even on right now?
Bro, I don't know.
Okay.
I'm still watching. I'm still watching. We're gonna find a hot spring or something, or go to the beach, and I'm gonna be watching you.
That's only a little weird.
Curiosity killed the cat. You know that, right?
Yeah, it's cool. I'm not a cat.
Satisfaction brought it back again, though.
Soda can't have nice things.
I have returned from gang food. Where you guys is talking about?
Don't worry about it.
We're talking about Barry and fourth head.
It's true.
I'm literally going to kill you, Isla.
Great, protect me.
So, I'm just curious, out of character, Barry, and how high does your strength get when you're all buffed up?
What?
Like, your strength score.
He's saying something normal.
I'm like, did I say that weird?
No, Barry's just taking it in the worst possible way.
My strength score is like ridiculously high. It's like 20 something.
Well, what is your base strength score?
I don't know. Okay.
Because I was thinking next time you grew, I was going to throw Righteous Might on you to make you grow more. And then put Divine Power on you to give you 6 more strength and grow more. I'm just thinking of a giant fucking berry in here. That way everyone could look over your skirt.
Creed, you need to back up a bit, alright? Just take a second to think about what you're talking about.
But on a more serious note, I was curious what it would be like if I made you grow bigger and gave you more strength.
Oh, if you made him like really big, we could like write him as.
What?
I call the middle head.
What? Get out of here!
Boy, I have the best tactical advantage if I'm actually riding on your shoulders. Like, being honest.
I'm not an amusement ride.
It's not for amusement. It's a walking tower. All right. So hear me out. I'm thinking about doing.
Does Sayuri know about this?
About what?
Fucking Christ, Barry.
What? I didn't do anything.
The joke went straight over your head without a second thought.
Oh, I get it.
Faith is grabbing wieners. Does Sayuri know about it? Ha ha. Dragon Bullying Simulator. I think I need to change the name of this.
No.
It's your turn.
It is.
I hate y'all.
No, you don't.
I
We are wonderful human beings.
So when you date somebody, does each of your heads get a girlfriend, or do
Alright, that's it. We're not asking these questions. No. 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 No, no, no. No, 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 no.
I think he just didn't think about it, so he doesn't want to fess up to it.
Obviously, he's got 3 heads, so he probably needs a harem.
You gotta set up a rotation. So let's check the calendar.
I hate you all.
He hates us so much he fumbled.
Did I fumble? God damn it.
Yeah, your very first attack.
Right off the bat.
Thanks, guys. Thanks so much.
Yeah, it was actually a good strike, bruh. Haboob?
Let's call him Haboob. Can you not?
He's got little haboobs.
They're not even Haboob. They called him mosquito bites is almost a compliment.
Yeah.
Y'all had to roll for the boobs, but you didn't roll for the booty.
Shit, Pace. What do I roll to get a nice fat ass?
Oh my god!
Oh no! Oh
Maybe trying to
no!
roll for the fattest ass on the planet. Just like, gotta get
Like
that.
Kardashian style.
No! Please, no! Stop!
Mr. Kree, you're up.
Not Kardashian. Anyone but her.
Yo, gotta get that Nicki Minaj booty.
Oh, that's even
Like-
worse. Well,
Pow!
gotta get that boom, boom, boom. Gotta get that boom.
Alright, I'm gonna cast Knight's Move.
Roll 2d20, Hibby.
Oh my god!
Oh my god, no. What if, like, one of them's a crit fail and one of them's lopsided one of the cheeks?
Your rear end is 16% of your mass.
What?
What?
I
How are
could
you?
40%? Hold on. You got
Wait.
an ass the size of a planet.
Hello? Like,
Roll for ass.
Roll for ass, Farfire.
this is really happening. Why? Oh!
I blew all
Ooh.
my good rolls.
Oh man! Oh god!
Oh my
You
god.
got pancakes! You got pancakes! You got
Damn,
flat.
you are a guy! Don't
You got-
lie!
You
No,
got flat.
Firefly's just really young.
You got flapjacks, my guy.
Nah, I think you just rolled your not current, but maximum.
Oh man, you got straight up flapjacks, my dude. Oh,
Sorry, Paith. So
Yeah.
that first roll was my Knight's Move, and I'm casting Corona.
I can't
Okay.
can't believe we actually did this. What is happening? What has become of this game?
Last week we rolled for tits. This week might as well roll for ass. Like, come on.
So like, did it just magically inflate? Just
In Farfire's case, probably deflated.
ah, like Nicki Minaj. What?
Hey,
Hey, Lamau.
dropped a knife on it, it fucking deflated.
It just punctured.
Oh, I'm right in the fire or the.
I bust the implants out your.
Stop.
The sword is heavy, but it was your fist.
Hand cramp.
I wonder what she was doing to get that hit. No, I'm still.
Oh my.
Huh. Oh my, indeed.
Alright, well, I mean, 4 people can take the Corona.
Now I find that offensive. Just because I'm of Japanese descent, you'd assume I knew karate.
Can we have George Takei?
Yes, please. Oh, that'd be hilarious. Oh my, you crit.
Whoa!
Oh my god, George Takei is the final boss.
Oh my. George Takei is a titan. Says a bit of the bees of the year.